There, this is Mead Mighty Mouse. Yeah, that's the sort of original what it used to look like. Made by Mighty Mouse Company. It was made in 1950. Model. I had to put on I had to change it a little bit. Made some levers for it. The 6-volt positive ground. This is a Model TF engine on it, 2-cylinder Wisconsin with electric start. This is made by the Mead Mighty Mouse Company. They use these for the mines, gold mines and coal mines. And the seat right there is a hard seat, but you can put a cushion on it, backrest. The snap clutch. You have a clutch right there, snap clutch. Your transmission's a 2-speed, forward and reverse. And your levers, that's hydraulic. The hydraulic cylinders are all from late 50s Chevy trucks or Corvettes. And that's the gas tank. So I put a voltmeter in there. That's your ignition to turn it on. There's your start button. Here's your throttle and then your choke. And fuel pressure reduction regulator right there. And this is a hydraulic system. Although it was in the front and the engine was sideways, after I changed the engine, I had to put that on here. That is your hydraulic tank built into the front where the nomenclature plate is, and this is your tensioner pulley here that runs the hydraulic pump. Comes out here, it runs off the motor. So I had to put it in there. It had really limited space on this stuff, and so it's kind of hard to do that. So, but again, it's a cute little machine. It doesn't go really fast, or fast at all, hardly. It's a little bit of history, and it's a cute little thing.